actually started working here in the Philippines yesterday, so I need to find a co-working space, and I think BGC is the place to do it. So I've booked a viewing in BGC of a co-working space. Hopefully by next week I'll start working in an office in BGC. It's another nice day here in Manila, so I'm going to get a taxi into BGC just now, probably get some breakfast through there and just see what's happening. So this first office space we're looking at is spaces here in World Plaza in BGC. I'm just trying to figure out the elevators because they're kind of not doing what we want them to do. I think we have to go back down, but it's located on the 29th floor. So that was spaces there at World Plaza. It's a beautiful office set, really nice setup, but it's totally overkill for what I need. I just need a desk with some internet, so they had a lot of added facilities which bumped up the prices. So we're going to go check like their cheaper little brother just now, where hopefully there's like a hot desking 24/7 environment I can work at. So I guess this would be a good time to share what I actually do. So I work in a UK marketing firm, specifically a digital marketing agency, and I run the paid advertising team in that firm. So companies come to us wanting to increase their revenue, increase the number of leads coming into the business. That's where we help them. We create adverts online for them to their target audience with the right messaging to make sure that they're getting a lot of money coming into their business. So if you ever see annoying adverts popping up on your internet, my bad, I'm sorry. This is a cracking location to have an office though. This is BGC Highstreet, just running parallel to where we're walking. So this office is just around here, so to be able to work here every day would be amazing. I just really hope this smaller office has a more kind of convenient option where it's just a desk, some internet. Even if it's co-working, it doesn't matter. I don't actually need a private office. I just need a space where I can work with good internet and access to food and drink. It looks like this building's just around this corner, but yeah, this is a very nice area here in BGC in Taguig in Manila. Coming up to a really cool looking little building with some very nice street art on it, so always adds a bit to the place. Nice wee coffee shop at the base of the building, which is a good sign. It looks quite busy, but it's quite a big place. It looks nice. So that was a nice wee tour of that office. It's definitely lower budget, but it's probably still not what I'm after. I literally just want an open space with a hot desk situation with internet. Those were all private small rooms where you're kind of confined in all day. So that second space we just viewed is owned by Regis, which are in turn owned by Spaces. The first place we saw, it's like the kind of baby brother, like lower budget option. And both are quite nice spaces. The first one for the kind of private office and spaces was around about £800, £900 a month plus VAT, so you're talking £1,000 a month, about 60,000 pesos. That one there, the smaller option, was much cheaper, about £300 a month, about 18 to 20,000 pesos a month. But I think the best place I've seen so far, I didn't film it, but I went to visit WeWork at Uptown Mall. And I think that kind of ticks the boxes for me more. The only thing is they've been really slow getting me rates back. I went to see them nearly a week ago now, and they've still not given me a price. So I hope they come through today or tomorrow with a price so I can start giving them some money. Sobra gutom nako, let's go get some food. Just to reiterate how beautiful BGC Highstreet is. I know I said it like a billion times in my first video here in the Philippines, but this really is such a wonderful, beautiful area. This is why I want an office in this area, because you can just walk down and explore on my lunch break. I can just take a wander down the street. So yeah, looking forward to working in this area. Popping into Central Market here to try and find something to eat. So here in the Central Market, it looks like we've got about 3 floors. I've not really explored much in here yet, so I might do a little bit of that today. But we did go for a Shake Shack, which is just back there the other day. Very, very tasty, very nice, but konti lang mahal Shake Shack. It's a little bit expensive, so I don't know, might try somewhere else today. Got these 3 fountains in the middle here, and honestly I could jump in them. It's very hot outside, so massively appreciating the AC as always here in the Philippines. When you come inside a mall, you just get that little break from the heat. So I could jump in one of those fountains though. If it was outside, I probably would. Just heading upstairs to see if I can find some more food. Downstairs is basically just kind of your high-end luxury brands. Maybe not luxury, but your fashion brands, the typicals that you get in all the malls here. And the second floor so far kind of looks the same. So this area up on the 3rd floor here at Central Market is actually the cinema. They do have a couple of small food stands behind me there. It's a Mexican place, a drinks place, and a kind of potato place. There's also a little Italian style restaurant. They've got a little hot dog stand here as well. So there's more affordable options here if you come up to the 3rd floor. Not sure that's tickling any of my fancy just now, but we'll see how we go. I'm going to head back downstairs just now and just see if there's anything I've missed food-wise. Sobrang gutom nako talaga. Sobrang gutom. I'm quite hungry now. So the only other food place I can see is the Starbucks just behind me over there. But the good news is BGC Highstreet just outside has tons of food venues. So we might wander there to try and find some food. BGC Highstreet is actually much quieter today than it was the last time I was here. I think the last time I was here was on the weekend. But this is a Wednesday morning, so it's much quieter, which is nice. It's nice, more space, less hectic. We ordered way too much food, but this first dish is basically chicken curry, so I'm going to give this a go, see how it is. That curry chicken is so nice, but I'm going to try these kind of cheesy chicken noodle things now, so let's see how they taste. Both those dishes are very tasty, and I'm not going to be able to finish both of them, but I'm going to go half-half. So that was Nanyang here in BGC Highstreet. Sobra masarap pero sobra busog nako. I'm so stuffed, but it was very tasty. So yeah, it's a good option if you want an affordable meal here in BGC. Just did that thing in the shop where I was browsing t-shirts, but I was the only one in the shop. And you look at the price and realize it's far too expensive and you're never going to buy one. But you have to keep browsing so you don't look cheap to the store attendant. Yeah, so I got out of there, but the t-shirts were about 6,000 pesos each, which is just under £100 a top. So yeah, there's no need to pay that for a t-shirt in my book. That's been a very fun morning and afternoon looking at the co-working spaces here in BGC and then grabbing some food in BGC Highstreet. But I'm going to end this video here today because I need to go back. I'm actually working this afternoon. I need to go back to the condo, get some work done, earn some pesos. So thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Ingat po.